How to change Google Calendar language on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Now, scroll down to the very bottom of the page and tap on Apps. This section lists all your installed applications, allowing you to manage individual settings for each one. Scroll through the list and tap on Google Calendar. Here, you will see a list of permissions and settings for the app. Tap on Language at the very bottom. From the list, select the language you want the app to use. Now, when you open the app, it will be displayed in your newly selected language. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily change Google Calendar language on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.